Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Irfan, Faculty of Commerce. Today I am going to discuss about C chart. Last previous video we have solved X bar chart and range chart problems. Now today we will discuss the C chart. Okay, let us discuss the C chart limits. Okay, in CL equal to C bar equal to summation C bar equal to summation C divided by n means here number of observations. Okay, after that UCL upper control limit is C bar plus 3 square root of C bar. LCL C bar minus 3 square root of C bar. Okay, how to remember, how to find, how to judge it is a C bar or it is a NP chart, it is a range chart, it is a R chart. Okay, C chart always carry defects. Okay, C chart always carry the defects products or defect items or defect machineries. Okay, it is called a C chart. Okay, everybody heard, everybody seen. See here, C bar, CL means here C bar. Okay, UCL means here C bar plus 3 square root of C bar. LCL means here C bar minus 3 square root of C bar. Next, we will move for the problem. See, from the following data, prepare a C chart and with comment. Okay, you should give the comment. It is under process or it is out of control or it is under control. You should write down. It is a very important. Okay, the comment is also very important. Okay, they are providing sample number 1 to 7 and they are providing defects 12, 18, 32, 10, 14, 19, 13. Here they will ask to calculate C bar chart. Okay, come to the sample. Okay, this is a solution. Okay, see here, these are the samples and these are defects. Okay, first you should calculate C bar. Okay, C bar means here you should calculate all the total number of defects. Okay, 12 plus 18 plus 32 plus 10 plus 14 plus 19 plus 13. We got a summation C equal to 118. Okay, now CL equal to C bar equal to summation C divided by n. 118 is summation C value and n is 7 and equal to, you can get a CL 16.85. Okay, we have got a CL. Okay, after that we should calculate UCL. UCL formula is C bar plus 3 square root of C bar. Okay, already we are calculated. C bar value is 16.85. See here, 16.85 plus 3 put same and square root of 16.85. Okay, again 16.85 plus 3 into 4.10. How to get 4.10? If you remove the square root, no, you can get a value of 4.10. Okay, after that 16.85 plus 3 into 4.10 equal to 12.3 and you can get the value of 29.15. UCL is 29.15. Okay, come to the LCL. Okay, we have got a UCL value. Now we should get a LCL. LCL formula is C bar minus 3 square root of C bar. Okay, C bar value is 16.85 minus 3 and square root of 16.85. 16.85 minus 3 into 4.10. 16.85 minus 12.3 equal to 4.5. Okay, now we have got the value of CL. CL value is 16.85, right? Next LCL value is 4.5 and UCL value is 29 something. Okay, now come to the respective diagram. Okay, you should make a x-axis and y-axis. Okay, you should write down. See, the first value is I hope 12, and the one is 18, and the one is 30 above, and the one is 10, next 13, next 20, next 22. Okay, next 13, like. Okay, these are the, you should find all the values here. You should make a graph, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, after that you are having a mark UCL and CL. See, UCL, CL and LCL. See, one point is crossing the UCL limit. It means here the process is out of control. When one slight point is passing or crossing the UCL or LCL, on that time the comment is the control chart is out of control. Okay. Now come to the second. Okay, prepare a control chart, comment for the following data. Here sample numbers are 10, defects are 6, 12, 14, 10, 11, 9, 15, 16, 10 and 7. Okay. Now the problem is number of defects 1, 2, 3, 4 defects. Okay. After that you should add all the defects here. Okay. See, summation C is 110. CL equal to C bar equal to summation C bar divided by N equal to 110 divided by 10 equal to 11. Okay. Now UCL is C bar plus 3 square root of C bar equal to 11 plus 3 square root of 11. Now 11 plus 3 into, remove the square root of 11, 3.33. Okay. Now 11 plus 9.99 equal to 20.9. Next LCL, C bar minus 3 square root of C bar equal to 11 minus 3 square root of 11. Now here 11 minus 3 into 3.3 equal to 11 minus 9.9 equal to LCL is 1.1. Now here we have got CL is 11, UCL is 20.9 and LCL is 1.1. Now we will move for chart. See, now you should find all the points sample number 1 how much, sample number 2, sample number 3. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, these are the points we are taken from the table. Okay, after that you should mark UCl where comes Cl and LCl. Okay, after that you should have a comment. See, all the points are within the UCl, below UCl, above LCl. See, all the points. See, 1 point, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. All the points are below UCl, above LCl. It means here this process is under control. We are called this process is under control. Okay, you should always remember. Okay, if one point will be crossed above UCl, on that time that process is out of control. If under UCl, no, it is a under control. Okay, these are the problems. Okay, if you like this video, okay, please subscribe and share to your friends.